Hello guys and welcome to KassDays. We are downtown Calgary, or just about, at the Stampede exhibition grounds. And the purpose of our visit today, if you recall, we were just here maybe about 2-3 weeks ago, dropping by at the Calgary Motorcycle Show. But today we are gonna check in on the Home and Garden Show. I can't remember if we've been here last year or not, but in any case, I'm not 100% sure what all to expect, but we want to capture this and take you along. If you have questions or comments or suggestions and recommendations, as always, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments. So with that all being said, let me turn around and make my way towards the entrance. As we are making our way to the door, you see the BMO Center up front here, just newly rebuilt, renovated. It looks like it's pretty much complete. And of course the Saddle Dome to our right again. And we'll turn a little bit downtown, some of the apartment high-rises. We don't really see too much. And then the Big Four building. So anyhow, the entrance is straight up front here. I see it already. So let's go inside and check out this show. It will be 66.66.
True, yeah.
Yeah, we're just talking about the difficulty getting in. They try to automate to pay to get into the parking. The only problem is 2 out of the 3 units were not working. So we tried to dig out our old high school math and break this down in percentage, but I think we got there. Getting up to the entrance now. I think it's still open, or did they redirect this already? Oh yeah, I think between the gates or the fencing or whatever. It would be so nice if they have this all wrapped up by the time the Comic-Con comes in and shows up. You get a bigger and better view of downtown Calgary. Once upon a time, the tower which you see between the 2 buildings was one of the tall points, or the tallest point in Calgary. Now, amongst all the other tall buildings, and that's just a fraction what you see here, you can barely see the tower anymore.
It's called the top.
One-day bath area renovations. They just put a top or a shower over your existing one. We got some bath fitters. That's the replace over the top one, or did they take the old one out too? I can't remember.
In our situation, it is.
Okay, so you can have it taken out, or you can just have it over the existing one.
It's cheaper if you have it over the existing, but if you want something else, something different.
Yeah, and I assume it would also depend on the condition of what's there. If your drywall and everything is rotten. Need some organization in your kitchen. Check out all these kitchen cupboards and drawers, and even if the sink, where we normally always have this little mess underneath, you can have everything nicely organized. Some windows and doors. Treadmills, I guess, space savers, slim, thread, walking, running, jogging. Feel the heat from these radiant heaters. Nice and modern looking ones. I guess they're called power boards. We got coffee here. Never turn down a good coffee. Check out the machines they got here. They even come in different colors. Got the red one over there. Look at that. Nice. Check out these humongous hot tubs. My goodness. It's a small swimming pool. Yikes. There's even bigger ones over there as well. We at one point had one, but never really got the use out of it. It was an older one, and eventually it's just, I don't know, took too much energy and water and just wasn't used enough. So we actually gave it away. But I'm sure these ones are much more energy efficient, but still, I don't know. I don't think that's anything else ever going to get into it again. Some stones, some pillars, finish your patio or your house, I guess. Evergreens all year round. Look out these bushes here. It's all plastic, by the way. Kind of a mini house. A-frame cabins, I guess that's what it is. And there's an idea where this could be.
Samples of the bathroom. So these are constant those? Did you want to try these?
I guess supposed to be ice, like the iris. Interesting.
Yeah. So when you get to that point, right, that's a 60 by 20 metal.
Cookware over here. Look at the apples here. They sure look delicious. Just walking up the aisles here and see what's around. Got some garden boxes here if you're into gardening.
Any kids where we're just like,
So apparently they already tried them out in schools to get the kids more active.
so it's like the pedal all the time.
Interesting concept. Be able to find something here if you need that. I think what's also more common is if you look at this one here, the beds that you can actually lift up the top. It's I think a remote control somewhere, or attached to it, and you can elevate the top a bit. Actually, matter of fact, if I go over here, I think I actually see it right here attached to the bed frame, just down there. Vacuum cleaner, air purifier, built-in vacuums. Advertising for tree work. See him hanging up there. Sofa land. Couple couches and kind of futuristic looking chairs. Garage doors. If you need a garage door, you find something here. Controller and the door itself, different designs, different colors. Check out the blue one here, looks cool with the blue lights. Certainly have a good selection, as I said, if you're in need of a furnace or a heat pump. Quite a few around here. Here we have barbecues and smokers coming up, and some pizza ovens as well. Here we are. Of course, some bigger ones as well. Let's check out some of these appliances. Look at these kitchen stoves. With the handles, with the knobs to turn on, sure different. It's just find it fascinating. I really like this one. I didn't need the house for it. But nice, isn't it? Major landscaping machinery, bobcats, can drill, dig, little backhoes. If you're a landscaper that does some backyard renovations, maybe some of the equipment you need. But then you have something for Junior here. Check out the little tractor.
It's a crappy time, but like the owner Barry said.
Need to organize your garage. Here we go. More garage storage. Stucco repair. If you know what stucco is, this is kind of this, what you see here, they put on some houses. I think mainly in the older days that was. Gardening seats and garden beds. Although in our area, I think it's probably still 3 months before you can have stuff outside overnight without the risk of freezing, and that would bring us towards end of May. I think that's a ship. Well, I know it's a shipping container, but I think they kind of rebuild it a bit, insulated, and make a home out of it by the looks of it. That's how this looks like. Very interesting. You can take some or sign up for some renovation classes. See, there's some tiling. I guess how you tile, paint, plumbing by the looks of it. Group classes, kids classes. As you can see, it's not too bad today. It's actually, the show is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we are here on the first day, the first afternoon, and it's very reasonable with the crowds. Makes it a bit easier to capture some of these things for you guys. With this funny guy that comes down here, Elite. Not sure what exactly it's supposed to be, but got some landscaping equipment like mowers and blowers. There's different roofing. Most common in our area here are the asphalt shingles, but you certainly have different options nowadays as well. It's I think it's slate. Also seen some metal roofs. I'm sure some of them have a higher weight, so gotta make sure your roof can actually support it. From different siding, just some ideas what may work for your house. And more landscaping equipment, big mowers and blowers. Check that out. Oh, that's a blower if I've ever seen one. More landscaping equipment, Kubota. It's probably a name you heard before. Of course, we have some of the phone companies here. Here is TELUS. If I turn around, you may can partially see it. Down there is Rogers as well. It's a competitor. But two of the big three at least are here. Are you the prettiest of them all? Somebody painting a mural. I guess that's going to be painted next 3-4 days, as long as the show is on. So interesting to see how this would look when it's done. Kitchen cabinets. If you're in need of a new kitchen. And some more landscaping items. Nice little flowers. Calgary Lawn Solutions, I guess lawn care company, but it looks like they also build pergolas and all that stuff. They actually look quite nice. That have the water running and outside gas fireplace down here. Nice. Can't use it too much and too long in our climate. So we have winter 7-8 months out of the year, but nevertheless, very nice. General landscaping, quite the big boot.
Do you guys need water or anything? Brad? Cold water?
Nice setup. Really nice. While I walk up to the next one here, if you guys don't mind, and if you like what you see, said feedback is appreciated, but also maybe subscribe, leave us comments, and some feedback. Anything else you would like to see, extra to see when I go to these shows? Natural lifting, cosmetics. Some stools, you can just fold them together or pull them apart. I believe we may have one of them as well. So water filters, Culligan, flat stacks. Remember the older days when there was Tupperware everywhere? Now these days you can barely find them anymore. Some Ukrainian desserts, bamboo pillows, bamboo sheets. We have some bikes here. Battery powered. That's a battery folding one. Kind of a neat idea if you go somewhere. And scooters. Look at this futuristic looking thing. Well, let's walk down this side. Here you got some more roofing, blinds, sunshade with box screens here. I guess you can all close this up. It's on my left. Then windows and doors from Pella. I think we are just about done walking through the show, seen everything, walked through a few things a couple times. Certainly great selections if you are searching for something, let's say a business landscaping, furnace, roofing, or whatever else it might be you're interested in. You can also get smaller house items such as window cleaners. I think there's even some cutlery. Just looking ahead here, so just screening. A couple people are waving. But again, thanks for being with us. If you want to make any suggestions, recommendations, as always, please feel free to do so. And it will help us out greatly. If you like, subscribe and share. And you can also support us and follow us on patreon.com/KassDays, if you can pronounce this. Anyhow, with that being said, see you in the next one.